my fellow YouTube friends. This is Noah again with Save Green here. And today we're going to talk about batteries. Now, if you're like me, you go through batteries a lot, or at least I used to go through batteries a lot. I've since have gone to rechargeables about 4 years ago, and I do not regret it. And I'll tell you why. What you see here is a pair or 4 batteries of AA's, and you can get them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So you get 4 of these, $1. That's it. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but in my case, for instance, I was using them on high drain equipment and electronics, and what happens is I was going through about 1 of these or 4 of these every week. If you do the math quickly, 52 weeks a year, that is $52 buying 4 batteries a week. Now, your usage might not be that extreme. You might use 4 of these every 2 weeks if you have high drain equipment and so forth. And in that case, it would be half. But you're still spending about $26 a year in batteries. I'm going to tell you what I did about 3 years ago. First, I started off getting Duracell rechargeable batteries, and I'll show you a picture of one of them right here. And what you want to look at to make sure you get the most juice out of the batteries, if you will, first you're going to make sure it says rechargeable, but over here where you see the milliamp, the MAH, this one is 2000 milliamps. That's just basically telling you how much juice is inside the battery. So after I started with that one with 2000 milliamps, I said, you know, I need something with more juice, a little bit more juice. So I went and got this Duracell rechargeable with 2650 milliamps. Again, this is about 3 years old, and I'll show you just how much wear it has. You can see that there. So it is worn out pretty good, but it's lasted 3 years. It's still working great. It still holds a charge really well. And I don't think they now make the 2650 milliamps, since you've had issues with batteries on cell phones and stuff like that getting too hot. I think now they make them up to 2450 milliamps. It's still not a big difference from the 2450 to this one, to the 2650. Again, this is about 3 or 4 years old. But if you did the math on buying, for instance, right now they got 4 of these on Amazon, 4 of them, okay, for $15. Now think about that. This battery right here has lasted me about 4 years, give or take, and I've only spent $15 for 4 of them. You know, that's if you went this route and you bought 4 of these every week for 4 years, think about how much money that will cost you in 4 years. And I have a power meter. I used to be an energy auditor, so I have power meters, and I measure how much juice they pulled out every time these are charged. They use about 4 to 5 cents when you charge 4 of these per charge. So 4 to 5 cents per charge. That's not a lot of money. If you went and bought 52 of those every year for 4 years, you'd be over $200 in battery use when you can just spend $15 for 4 of these. Again, you can see that I've had these for a while. All kinds of Duracells. These are the ones I have here. The rest of them are on my devices. I own about 12 to 14 of them altogether. And this is one of the chargers that I use. And what I like about it is you can put 4 batteries in there. And if you look at the different sizes, you can put AA's or AA's. And the plug is in the back. You can fold it, open it this way to charge it. But it works great. I have AA's and AA's, so you can use different batteries. And you can see down here 2 AA's right here, or you can just put 4 AA's. So 2 AA's in the middle, or if you want to just put 4 AA's throughout. That's the way I usually do it. So let's show you here. Put that one in there, like so. Now, one key piece of information that I want to tell you is you want to make sure that you have 4 of them there at a time, or at least 2. So you either have 2 or 4. You cannot put 1 and you cannot put 3. It's got to be in even numbers. I don't know why, but the light will usually down here will turn red when it's starting to charge, and then it'll light up green when it's fully charged. But you can either do 2 or 4 at the same time. You can't do 1, and you cannot do 3. Again, this is 4 of those, $15, last about 4 years. Or you can spend $200 even buying $1 cheap Dollar Tree batteries. It's your choice. But again, this is Noah with Save Green here, and my objective is to try to help you save money on everyday things, whether it's electronics, whatever it may be. Anything that I see out there to help you be a little bit more frugal and to be a little bit wiser on your choices, I'm going to publish it on my YouTube channel. The problem is when you spend $1, you don't think that it's going to cost you a lot of money because it's, hey, it's just $1. But when you start adding up how many of those you have to buy in a year compared to buying 4 Duracell rechargeables on Amazon that will last you 3 or 4 years, or maybe even more depending on how much you use it. And I forgot what I spent for the charger. I know it's not a lot. Maybe it's just, you know, 15, 20 bucks. I don't know. I'll see if I can post a link on my description, but I will post the information on my description where you can get them. And again, it's a wiser choice instead of having to spend $1 every single time for these batteries when you can spend a lot less for these. So again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Please subscribe to my channel. It'll help support the fact that we produce videos to help you save money. And also, I will post my Twitter that we just started not too long ago, so you can also subscribe to or join or follow us on Twitter. So thank you once again. This is Noah with Save Green here. You guys have a great day.